Hey everyone, today we are going to be putting this little shower gadget to the test to see how it works and see if it's really worth the money. I've seen these on other videos and they say that these are must-haves, so let's see if it is a must-have. I am old-fashioned. I've been cleaning for a very long time, so what works for me is just a rag, magic erasers, all by hand. And so let's see if this will get the soap scum off and all of the junk that's sometimes in your showers. Let's see if it'll get all of the mess out of your showers in a timely fashion. That's what I'm looking for, to see if this can help me get the jobs done much faster than me using a rag and doing everything by hand. So with that said, let's get started and let's see how this little gadget actually works in this shower.
Now, this shower honestly wasn't super dirty. I didn't let it get bad this time, but here's why I wanted to test it here. I feel like fiberglass showers and fiberglass shower floors are just tougher to clean than tile. You know how hard it is to really get fiberglass clean without scratching it up or leaving that cloudy residue behind? It's a different beast compared to tile, so I wanted to see if the Scrubtastic could actually handle it. Now, I actually tested this same scrubber off camera on tile and grout before I brought it in here, and it did a pretty good job. Like, I was honestly a little surprised, so I had some real hope for it coming into this fiberglass test. One thing I do want to mention, make sure all the pieces on this Scrubtastic are clicked all the way in before you start using it. If they're not fully locked in, the scrubber is just not going to work right. It'll wobble, it'll stop spinning. Ask me how I know. Just double check everything's snapped in tight before you turn it on. So let's start with the shower floor. Honestly, this is where I feel like most people skip. You scrub the walls, you do the doors, but the floor just gets rinsed and forgotten. But fiberglass floors hold on to everything. So I'm going to let the Scrubtastic do the work here and see if it actually lifts that buildup. Now, one spot I really wanted to test is around the drain. You know how that area gets soap scum, hard water, just gunk that builds up right around the edges. And it's such an awkward spot to scrub by hand. With this thing, you can kind of angle the head and let it get into that groove around the drain.
So what did I think about this little gadget that, everyone is raving about? Well, I tell you, it will do a great job. I mean, it's gonna be better than getting down on your hands and knees. Now, I don't know if it will completely get everything out of the showers for you, but this is a good little tool to have in your back pocket if you want to get jobs done much quicker around the shower walls, on the shower floors, even if it's in a bathtub. This comes with multiple different heads for your cleaning needs. Comes with a grout brush, which I absolutely love that grout brush. It comes with this nice little big round, little scrubber, and then it comes with another little tiny scrubber just for your shower glass doors or your shower doors, maybe around some of the drains and stuff like that, or around your, faucets. It would be great for that. So I think this is a good little find for me, and I will be using this from now on because it's going to save me time and it's going to save my back. And those are the two things that I really was looking for, because like I said, I am still actively out here cleaning for people. I have my set clients, and I would love to be able to get the jobs done much quicker, especially when it comes to bathrooms. Bathrooms and kitchens are much harder to clean, and they are hard on your back. So if you are looking for a bathroom, like a little helper gadget, this could be something that you're looking for. I will put this in the link in the description below just so you can kind of browse it and see what it actually does and see if it would be something that you could be interested in purchasing for yourself. Again, in my videos, I want to make sure that I am giving you helpful tips and stuff that actually works and is worth your money. So if you found value in this video, please give it a like. Let me know in the comments what your go-to on cleaning your showers or bathtubs. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.